I am launches OBD2 scanner here, the Reader Elite V3.0, and there it is right there. I'm actually using USB-C right here. This is my plug, but you can use the OBD2 plug, of course, and USB-A to C that it comes with. But I am just running it just to check it out before I start doing anything. I use the power plug here to boot it up. You got start. So I'm just doing a configuration. The default was already English. So I think this is Android time zones. I am America. Mexico Pacific. No. America, Los Angeles. There we go. And then I have the Wi-Fi that I can use, so I'm going to jump on that. Be right back. I could go ahead and enter this or skip it. I will skip. Disclaimer, agree. If you read everything, of course. Here we go. So you can log in, probably for updates. There's a chat button, interesting. And like Android, you can see the date, time, Wi-Fi connection, and battery power. So it's charging, and oh, looks interesting. So you can do a software update. I can't diagnose because nothing's plugged in, but I just want to log. You gotta log in, so you have to register, just to let you know. What's more? Academy, service online toolbox, mine, okay. Oh, library, feedback, images, fixes, FAQs. This is know your customer. Oh, so I gotta log in with an account. I shall do that shortly. Can we do this software update without it? Okay, so let me log in or create an account. Alright, finally was able to register real quick. And you can do a local diagnose. Mostly it's Toyota. This is a Toyota Focus one, but you can auto detect other cars, it looks like. OBD2. I don't have it connected, so I can't do that. Software update. It's good to check, right? So you can, there's a bunch of updates. I don't know what all this is, but it looks like it has some updates. We'll go ahead and update it, and later on I'll find a car. Then we'll do an OBD2 update or diagnosis, okay? See you soon.